Audio Jungle.
Mazda and Toyota invested $2.3 billion for the joint venture plant, which will have the capacity to assemble up to 300,000 vehicles and employ up to 4,000 team members. An additional 2,000 Team 1* members will be employed by MTM supplier partners. MTM started production of the all-new Mazda CX-50 in January of this year. This year, Mazda celebrates 18 years of operation in Mexico, which has become an important market for Mazda Corporation as well as Mazda North America. Mazda de Mexico is thrilled to bring the Mazda CX-50 to its customers who enjoy an active, outdoor lifestyle and who want to have the best of both worlds driving in the city and off-road. Getting back to the CX-50, Mazda bills it as a rugged and capable crossover that was designed specifically for the North American market. The Mazda Toyota manufacturing facility has the capacity to produce up to 300,000 vehicles annually, but that will be split 50-50 between the CX-50 and the unrelated Toyota Corolla Cross. Mazda hasn't revealed many details about the crossover, but has already confirmed the CX-50 will be offered with naturally aspirated and turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engines that are paired to 6-speed automatic transmissions. They'll be followed by electrified powertrains including a traditional hybrid model. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is slated to arrive at dealerships this spring and will come standard with an iActive all-wheel drive system as well as selectable drive modes that enhance off-road and sport driving. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is an all-new, rugged and capable crossover SUV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.